Oh, hi, fellow SFX lovers, and welcome to Totally Cartoon Sound Effects. My name is Sam FX, and you are the proud owner of an album of Totally Cartoon Sound Effects. What are Totally Cartoon Sound Effects, you may ask? Okay, ask. Okay, these digitally recorded sounds are the same totally cool sound effects that the pros in Hollywood use. Awesome, huh? Totally. Now, you'll be able to make your own totally cartoon audio and video recordings that you can use in a number of creative ways. How, you may ask? Okay, ask. Okay, if I may demonstrate. At a party. Hi, care for some punch? Make a creative statement on your answering machine. Hi, it's Sam. I'm not able to come to the phone. Leave a message after the tone. Totally cartoon up your home videos. Here's my little brother playing with his little toy cars. Watch out, little brother! Whoa! You get the idea. Now it's time for you dudes and dudettes to use your own imagination and create your own totally cartoon sound effects. Wow, this demonstration really tired me out. So while you have fun with totally cartoon sound effects, I'll just sit down right here and... Whoa!